Hello YouTube friends. I'm outside under the gazebo today and doing something that I've always kind of wanted to do. I've got this old air ratchet that's been sitting in my toolbox for a long time, and so I thought I'd plug it up and see if it would run. I put some oil on it. It didn't run, so I took it apart. You see there's nothing really down in there. Let's see if I can get you a shot of that. Move it around so maybe we can get some light. It's just got the air inlet down there and the valve there. Just opens and closes the thing. But what's happening is basically you push the lever down and the air just bypasses. So now it's got these vanes that slipped out in this little cylinder, and then this let me see, this part was like this on there, and this part was like this, because I remember the kind of the dirt on the outside there. All right, and then the vanes, 3 vanes on the rotator here go inside, and I suspect that the vanes are not making contact, so I'm going to clean those up really well and see if I can get them to make contact inside this cylinder. Like I say, this thing's been sitting. It's just a cheap one anyway. It's made in China. I think I've seen the inside of them before, but I kind of forgot about it. The inside feels a little rust, like it might have a little corrosion, so I'll try to clean that up a little bit. It's got a little dowel pin here that we'll need to make sure it gets in the right little spot. And then we'll see if we can get it running. This thing will go through here into here, and it rotates these 3 gears to rotate the outer part there. So let me see, I'm assuming these will slide up in the middle. Yeah, then they'll rotate, and they need some lube too. They feel kind of crusty, so I don't know if it'll work. If it'll work, it'll save me a trip to a store somewhere to pick up a new one. You know, I've got a couple more, but they're not right with me right now. So anyway, I'm not going to get a chance to show you the end result on this video. Just want to show you what's in it. That was cruddy. This is kind of cruddy. The inside of the cylinder, I think the little vanes are working. So anyway, it's probably going to be a little bit of a valve issue or something that's not letting it rotate, or the vanes were just collapsed in and wouldn't rotate. So anyway, that's what's inside it. Oh, by the way, I used an 1.5 wrench here on this big nut to unscrew that, and I used a crescent wrench on this end and just unscrewed the head off of it. The head part should be okay, I would think. So if it works, I'll mention it on some of my other videos. If it doesn't, it'll probably go in recycle, and I'll get me a brand new one. Okay, thanks for watching, YouTube.